To unblock contact on the Realme C71, all you simply have to do is first go for a phone application. And from here, you'll have to go into the recents, and there are actually two ways to unblock a contact. The first one is if this contact is actually in your recents, you will be able to see this contact. It will look like this. And after that, you simply have to press and hold on any contact that you'd like to unblock in these recents, and here's the button to unblock the contact. And as you tap on this one and tap the switch to unblock, the contact will be now available as normal as all of the rest of these contacts. So this is the first way, and the second way is you can simply press three dots on the top right corner and go for the settings. And from here you have to go for the blocked numbers, and here's the list of all of these numbers, contacts which you have blocked. Simply find this number or contact which you have blocked and press this X icon right next to this number, and then confirm with this button to unblock, and as you can see, this number has been unblocked and is no more on this blocked number lists. So that's how you can do this.